I'm Carlos Nobre. I'm a professor climate sustainability at Institute of Advanced Studies, University of São Paulo. I'm also co-chair of the Science Panel for the Amazon. Certainly, we need globally a new economy, a sustainable economy that would really reduce tremendously emissions of greenhouse gases, particularly from transition towards renewable energy. It has to happen much faster than what we are seeing now. And also, we have to reduce deforestation all over the planet, particularly in Brazil, where 70% of emissions come from deforestation and agriculture. So we really have to move very fast in that sense. And also, what we should do is just to expect public policies or the private sector will take all actions to combat the climate emergency. No, we have to ask everybody, everyone, really, to look for mitigation and also adaptation. Every person has to work very hard to reduce emissions. Not easy, towards renewable energy, and particularly also towards looking for adaptation. For instance, urban populations fighting a lot for forest restoration. We have to improve the climate in the cities. Forest restoration reduces temperature, removes pollutants, and reduces inundations, so-called urban green sponge. Yes, nature and climate house in São Paulo. Yes, let's work very hard to give a scale to saving the planet. Thank you very much.